Prepare to be enthralled by a cosmic tale of cataclysm and creation as we delve into the dramatic impact of asteroids and comets on Earth. These celestial wanderers have sculpted our planet's history, from the formation of the early Earth to the emergence of life and the course of human civilization. Join us as we explore the profound influence these extraterrestrial visitors have had on our world. Asteroids and comets are the remnants of the solar system's formation, leftover building blocks that continue to orbit the sun. While they may seem like mere specks in the vastness of space, their encounters with Earth have had monumental consequences. The most striking evidence of these cosmic collisions is the cratered landscape of our planet. Impact craters, some spanning hundreds of kilometers, are the scars left by asteroids and comets that have collided with Earth over the eons. These craters are not just geological curiosities. They are time capsules that offer insights into the history of our planet and the nature of these extraterrestrial objects. One of the most profound impacts of asteroids and comets is their role in the evolution of life. It is theorized that comets, rich in water and organic compounds, may have delivered the essential ingredients for life to Earth. This theory, known as panspermia, suggests that the seeds of life could be widespread throughout the cosmos, carried by comets and asteroids. However, not all encounters have been benign. The collision of a large asteroid or comet with Earth is thought to have contributed to mass extinction events, the most famous being the one that led to the demise of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. The Chicxulub crater in Mexico is a stark reminder of the catastrophic power of these impacts, which can cause wildfires, tsunamis, and impact winters that drastically alter the planet's climate. Despite the potential for destruction, asteroids and comets also hold the promise of resources. They are treasure troves of metals, water, and organic materials that could be vital for space exploration and the future of humanity. The prospect of mining these celestial bodies has sparked interest in developing the technologies needed to access these resources. The study of asteroids and comets is not just a scientific endeavor. It is also a matter of planetary defense. The potential threat posed by near-Earth objects, NEOs, has led to international efforts to track and catalog these objects, with the goal of predicting and potentially deflecting any that might pose a danger to Earth. The history of Earth is punctuated by the visits of asteroids and comets, each leaving an indelible mark on the planet's surface and its evolutionary path. These cosmic messengers have not only shaped the physical landscape, but have also influenced the biological tapestry of life. For instance, the aftermath of large impacts has led to significant shifts in the Earth's ecosystems, opening niches for new species to emerge and dominate. In addition to their role in evolution, asteroids and comets have been the subjects of human fascination and study for centuries. Ancient civilizations observed these celestial wanderers with a mix of awe and apprehension, often associating them with omens and divine messages. Today, modern astronomers use powerful telescopes and spacecraft to study these objects, unlocking their secrets and learning about the early days of the solar system. The composition of asteroids and comets provides clues about the conditions present during the formation of the solar system. Asteroids, particularly those from the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, are thought to contain a record of the solar system's early chemistry. Comets, originating from the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud, are considered frozen relics from the solar nebula, offering insights into the processes that led to the formation of planets. The exploration of these objects has also become a priority for space agencies around the world. Missions such as NASA's OSIRIS-REx and the European Space Agency's Rosetta have visited asteroids and comets, respectively, to study their composition and potentially retrieve samples for analysis on Earth. These missions are paving the way for future endeavors that could involve landing on these bodies, establishing bases, or even redirecting them for scientific study or resource extraction. As we conclude our exploration of the dramatic impact of asteroids and comets on Earth, we are left with a profound appreciation for the ways in which these celestial bodies have shaped our planet's history and the course of life. From the formation of the early Earth to the evolution of life and the challenges of the present day, asteroids and comets have played a crucial role in the story of our world. The legacy of asteroids and comets is etched into the very fabric of our planet, from the water in our oceans to the diversity of life that thrives on Earth. Their influence extends to the future, as we contemplate the possibilities they hold for space exploration and the challenges they present for the protection of our planet. In closing, the story of asteroids and comets is a testament to the interconnectedness of Earth and the cosmos. It is a narrative that challenges us to look beyond our own world and consider the forces that shape our universe. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of these celestial wanderers, we are reminded of the enduring power of curiosity and the quest for knowledge that drives us to explore the unknown. As we reflect on the profound impact of asteroids and comets on Earth, we are reminded of the intricate web of cosmic events that have contributed to the richness and diversity of our planet. From the water that sustains life to the catastrophic events that have reshaped the course of evolution, these celestial bodies have been integral to the Earth's story. The study of asteroids and comets is not just a chronicle of the past. It is a lens through which we can view the future. As we continue to monitor these objects and plan missions to explore them, we are not only safeguarding our planet, but also reaching for the stars. The resources and knowledge we gain from these cosmic wanderers could be the keys to unlocking new frontiers in space and ensuring the longevity of human civilization. In closing, the legacy of asteroids and comets is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. They remind us that we are part of a larger cosmic narrative, one that is filled with both peril and promise. As we move forward, let us embrace the challenges and opportunities that these celestial bodies present, for they are the threads that connect us to the cosmos and the story of our place within it. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey through the ages. As we ponder the profound impact of asteroids and comets on Earth, let us carry with us a sense of wonder at the forces that have shaped our world. Until next time, keep looking up and marveling at the celestial dance that continues to influence the destiny of our planet. Thank you for watching. If you're hungry for more knowledge, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Your support is incredibly valuable to us.